Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use ultra power saving mode on Vivo Y03t. If you're using Vivo Y03 and now you want to enable or use ultra power saving mode in your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings and here just enable settings, so go for battery settings. Here's the battery, select it. In battery you will get the two setting, which is battery saver or super battery saver. You must have to enable super battery saver in your phone. Just select it and then select turn on. In this way you will enter super battery saver or ultra battery saver mode. You can easily use it, and here if you want to customize you can easily customize it. And in this your all background animation and wallpapers will be removed and your battery time will be extended. So that's how you can easily use ultra power saving mode in your Vivo Y03t. Thank you very much for watching this video. Until the next video, bye bye.